Hi there, my name is Claire Garland and welcome to my penguin making up tutorial. Okay, you've knitted the penguin's body as per the pattern. Hopefully all the markers are still intact because you'll need them as I talk you through the next few steps in order to complete your little penguin. The first step is to add the yellow detail that is joined to the side of the face. I've used double strands of pale yellow mohair, however you could use a single strand of 4-ply or fingering weight yarn in its place if you haven't got the mohair or just don't want to knit with it. Working on the left side with the knit side facing you, starting at the penguin's left neck marker, pick up and knit 6 stitches up to the beginning of the red yarn that becomes the bill. After that, pick up and knit a further 7 stitches from the bill marker to the left outer neck marker. You can remove your bill marker before picking up if you like. Continue to work the 3 rows as written, cast off and work the right side as written in the pattern. Leave the head for now and work the tail seam. Fold at the colour change from black to white at the tail so that the purl sides are together and match the lower leg and tail top markers. Join the seam from the fold up to the markers with mattress stitch. We're now going to attach the legs. So starting at the penguin's left side, find the left upper leg marker and pick up and knit 9 stitches along to the left lower leg marker. Then find the left tail top marker and pick up and knit 9 stitches from that along to the left inner leg marker. In all, you should have 18 stitches on your needle. Work 10 rows on these left leg stitches as written in the pattern. To join each leg, working on one leg at a time, fold in half across the cast off edge with the purl sides together. Match the row ends and work mattress stitch all along those row ends to join together as neatly as you can. I like to stuff my yarn endings inside the legs, then you'll only need a tiny bit more stuffing to make them complete. The feet next. Knit as written and flatten each foot and shape a little before joining the cast on edge to the cast off edge from the leg. Just use little oversewing stitches and just make sure that the seam of the foot is flat down under the foot and that the leg seam is over the centre of the top of the foot. Join each side of the body again with the purl side of the knitting together. Match the neck and outer neck markers, then match with stitch to join all along the side from the top of the leg seam to the markers. You can pin if you like, if it helps you to keep the sides together as you sew. Before you join the second side, stuff the head, the body and the legs. The last little seam to sew are the yellow marking seams. Before joining these, you can still stuff a little more if you wish, and when you're happy, simply join with mattress stitch to complete the body. The only two markers you have left are the top and back flipper markers. So for the left flipper, begin at the penguin's left top flipper marker and pick up and knit 12 stitches in a diagonal line to the left back flipper marker. Once picked up, you will now follow the pattern, working 17 rows of stocking stitch as written. The right flipper is picked up in reverse, in other words from the back flipper to the top flipper marker. Same process, just reversing the shaping as written. The lining of the flipper can be a little tricky because you're working against the weight of the stuffed penguin. I found it easiest to lay the penguin down, resting it on a table or my lap as I picked up the stitches all along the front edge of the flipper and along the cast-off edge. It's only a few rows, so it's not such a hardship. Join the row ends of the flipper lining to the outer flipper back edge, neatly sewing all around and then under the flipper. You could use black sewing thread here if you like, it would make the stitches more invisible to the eye. I joined the tips of the feet together, and I also joined the leg to the side of the tail. My penguin was a little bit tippy, so these little details helped stabilise him somewhat. As an extra, you'll notice mine is swimming. I did wet him, yes, real water, but not to felt, just to block, especially the beak. By that I mean gently squeeze the water from the penguin, shape and leave to dry somewhere warm. Again, this is optional, but if you do want to, then please make sure that your black yarn is colour fast, otherwise you'll end up with a rather grey penguin. And that's it. Thanks for watching.